If you're considering eBuilder for your church management needs, there are 12 things you need to know before making the decision. In this video, we'll break down what makes eBuilder stand out, where it may fall short, and how it compares to other popular church management software options. By the end, you'll know whether eBuilder is the right choice for your church, or if there's a better solution out there. First, eBuilder is known for its user-friendly interface. It's easy to navigate, especially for church staff who might not have a technical background. However, compared to other platforms like Planning Center or Breeze, eBuilder's dashboard can feel a bit basic. If you want something with more modern design and features, you might want to look elsewhere. Next, eBuilder excels in project management, particularly for churches that need to organize building projects or large events. The software helps streamline communication, track budgets, and manage timelines. But if you're primarily looking for an all-in-one church management system with features like attendance tracking or giving management, eBuilder might not be as robust as other competitors. The third thing to consider is eBuilder's pricing. It tends to be on the higher end for smaller churches. While it offers some flexibility in plans, it doesn't always have the same affordable tier options as other solutions like ChurchTrack or Fellowship One, especially for smaller congregations. Now let's talk about integrations. eBuilder has a few, but isn't as extensive as other platforms like ChurchSuite or ACS Technologies. If your church uses a lot of third-party tools, you may run into compatibility issues or find yourself needing custom integrations. The fifth thing to know is eBuilder's support. It's solid, with 24/7 help available through chat or phone. But the response times can vary, and some users have reported that the help documentation could be more detailed. If you're someone who prefers a more immediate response, this could be an area where eBuilder needs improvement compared to other options like Breeze. Sixth, eBuilder shines when it comes to reporting. Its reporting tools are comprehensive, allowing you to track everything from donations to membership. However, they can be a bit complicated to set up, especially for new users. Compared to competitors like Planning Center, which offers more intuitive reporting features, eBuilder may require a learning curve. Next, eBuilder offers cloud storage for your church's documents, but it's not as feature-rich as some other systems. If your church relies heavily on document management, this may not be the ideal tool, especially when compared to something like Church Community Builder, which offers better document management and collaboration. The eighth thing to consider is scalability. eBuilder works well for mid-sized churches, but could be overkill for smaller churches with fewer needs. It's built with larger organizations in mind, so if your church is smaller, you may find that you're paying for features you don't need. In contrast, platforms like ChurchTrack cater more directly to smaller congregations. Ninth, eBuilder's security is top-notch, which is crucial when handling sensitive information like member donations. However, other competitors, such as ACS Technologies, offer even more comprehensive data security features, including better user role management and customizable access controls. The 10th thing to consider is mobile access. eBuilder's mobile app is decent, but isn't as seamless as some other church management apps like Breeze or Planning Center, which have more user-friendly and fully featured mobile versions. The 11th point is customization. eBuilder allows for some customization, but not as much as other competitors, like ChurchSuite, which provides highly customizable workflows and fields. If your church has specific needs or workflows that are unique, you may find eBuilder somewhat limiting. Finally, eBuilder's ability to handle volunteer management is one of its strong suits. It helps you track volunteer hours, manage schedules, and communicate with your team efficiently. However, this feature is still somewhat behind Planning Center, which offers more robust volunteer management tools, including easier scheduling and communication features. So, is eBuilder a good option for your church? It certainly has strengths, particularly for larger churches looking for project management and reporting. However, if you're looking for an all-around solution with a more user-friendly design and comprehensive features, you may want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free. Click the link in the description